What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today something a little bit different. Today we have a Choetech USB wall plate. Basically this is going to go on an outlet in your house, apartment, and this includes two USB ports and a mount for a Amazon Alexa. So fortunately I don't have an Alexa, so I can't test that out, but I can definitely test out the USB port. This could definitely be convenient. Not only does it have a USB port, but also has a little small light, which would help as like a night light in, like, let's say a hall. Let's say you have a little island in your kitchen. It would at least shine, that way you don't stub your toe when you're walking at night to get a glass of water, that sort of thing. So yep, it has a little shelf for Echo Dot 2. That is a light sensor, so it's automatically going to turn on and off, which is great. Two USB ports, and it'll actually fit into a standard outlet. Now what it looks like you do need to ensure is your outlet has these kind of rounded, kind of flat and then rounded outlets here, not the standard or the newer version that has like a square. So you do need to make sure you do have those sort of plugs. So we have a white plastic construction. It is a matte finish. And then basically what you're just going to do is unscrew your current wall plate, screw this new one in, and these copper plates will tap into your power there. We have your two USB ports on the side, and then looks like the light will come out of here. We'll test that out real quick. I'm going to replace my wall plate real quick. I'll be right back. So there we go. That took literally 10 seconds to put in. If I put my finger over the sensor here, you can see that the light does now turn on. We're gonna go ahead and turn off the lights and see how it looks in the dark. And so there we go. That's actually very bright. So that is actually really bright, and that'll definitely show and help you see during the middle of the night if you need to walk around. So depending on how your lighting situation is, it might actually stay on like it is, even though I do have one light turned on behind the camera, but the light is out of sight of where the sensor is. So it looks like it works. Unfortunately, there's no on and off switch. So if, let's say, it is bothersome in the night, so if, let's say, it's shining into one of your rooms, for example, there's no way to turn it off manually. That's unfortunate. I wish there was that feature. That way you can at least manually turn it on, turn it off, that sort of thing. But I think this is a great, simple ability to add usability to your current outlet, such as two USB ports, which would charge iPhones. It's not going to do any sort of quick charging, unfortunately, but nonetheless, it is a great viable option. So these outlets are 2.4 amp output, so it will, like I said, charge an iPhone quickly at least. And then your Amazon Echo actually plugs in right there, so really no need of extra wires or anything like that, so that's great. So there are actually little wire clip areas that you can wrap wires inside of here. So that will actually help keep some wiring for, let's say, a phone or anything else that you need to plug into those USB ports tidy and out of the way. So you can pick this up on Amazon for about $17. It might be on sale by the time you watch this or anything like that, but I think this is really nice and convenient, especially if you have a lot of users in your household or friends, family that use iPhones. You could have this on the end of a island in your kitchen or any sort of room, bedside. Maybe no, not a bedside because of the light. That's going to be very bright at night. So this would be very convenient to have in a common room or common area such as kitchen, living room, so that way friends, family can plug in. Let's say if they have iPhones, this will be very easy for them to actually plug in without having to worry about taking up additional outlets that are on your wall there. If you guys have any questions on this wall plate here, leave them down below. I'll definitely be able to help you out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.